It's a 2011 Ram 1500. With superior performance and legendary hauling and towing capacity, this Ram 1500 is the one tool that can master any job you throw at it. And it comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, external memory control, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, running boards, heavy duty shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V8 engine. Of the Ram 1500, Car and Driver proclaims Dodge changes the state of the art and the rules in the full-size pickup game. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.